Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a trigonometric problem in a step-by-step manner. Prove the following identity: sin theta plus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. Now let me take the LHS. We all know that a plus b the whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I'm going to apply that sin square theta plus 2 sin theta secant theta plus secant square theta. And for the next part also I'm going to apply a plus b the whole square, that is cos square theta plus 2 cos theta cosecant theta plus cosecant square theta. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So let me write the 1 here. Now my next step will be I'm going to write the remaining terms as it is. That is, I'm going to write 2 sin theta secant theta as it is, secant square theta, 2 cos theta cosecant theta plus cosecant square theta. Now here, when I look at my RHS, I have something like secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. So let me keep 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta untouched till the end, plus 2 times I have sin theta secant theta plus 2 times cos theta cosecant theta. So I'm going to make changes only for this one. That is, I'm going to take 2 outside and I have sin theta here. In place of secant theta, I can write 1 by cos theta. So I written sin theta by cos theta. Again here cos theta, let me write here, and for cosecant theta I can write 1 by sin theta. That's what I written here, cos theta by sin theta. My next step will be, let me take the LCM. My LCM will be cos theta sin theta. Then the numerator becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is nothing but an identity 1. So I'm getting 1 by cos theta sin theta. Now let me split this as 1 by cos theta, which is nothing but secant theta, and 1 by sin theta, which is nothing but cosecant theta. Now come to the last step, that is 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 secant theta cosecant theta. Now this is nothing but a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I can write this as 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square, which is nothing but my RHS. So friends, was this not easy? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.